Ways to control your heating and air conditioning on the JAYCOMMAND mini system. There's multiple different ways you can go into it. One, you can go into the screen and you can scroll through the different tabs until you get to your AC function. So there's your main AC. You would scroll down and select it and you would turn it on and off. You would just turn the button. You'll have cool. Then you can select down. You can turn your fan speed up and down from this direction. Another way to go in and control it is to go high, back to fan, select. You will set the temperature that you want to do. You select again and you can turn it off to cool auto, or you can turn the furnace on, or you can turn the fan mode on, which then you can select the fan high and low, and then you can turn the mode off. That's how you can control your main AC, your furnace, and everything else. So another way to get to your AC controls is we give you this little thermostat button on the bottom that'll take you right to the AC controls section. Again, then you go select back through, up and down will turn it on and off. Then you hit select, it'll give you your different modes of high or low on the fan speed or your furnace. Another way to go through it is to come to your home screen on your app. As you can see, always the main device will be activated. So if I press this button, we're on fan. Right now you can see it's green, so that's fan. If we were to go in and change it, 57 degrees is what a temperature is inside right here. If I want to go in and change it to the climate, I go to the fan speed, I can go to cool. The ring around will show blue for cool. If I were to go to heat, it would go red. If I want cool auto, then now it's saying that's what the preset is for the AC at 70 degrees. Right now it's 57. And over here you can control the fan speeds up and down. If you want to go to your second AC, again, that'll have the same thing. Those are the different ways to control your heat and AC on the JAYCOMMAND mini system.